like to talk about our research with the title Comparative Study on Frequent Pattern Growth, Similis, and Apriori algorithm for market basket analysis. Actually, what you know about data mining? Data mining is a technique that used to extract information and knowledge from a large amount of data. One of its applications is market basket analysis. Market basket analysis helps for marketing strategy to increase sales, arranging the placement of product, drive recommendation engines, and deliver targeted marketing. Why it helps for those marketing strategy? This is because it is about analyzing shopping habits to find out what items are frequently purchased together. For example, male customers that bought diapers often bought beer as well. And the supermarket chain can put the diapers close to beer coolers to increase the sales. There are several common algorithms that are used to find out this purchase pattern. These algorithms follow a series of steps, finding all frequent item sets and then generating associations through. First algorithm, Apriori. In Apriori, the association starts with the smallest dataset and then expanded into a larger dataset, and all the dataset must be occur sufficiency. Second algorithm, frequent pattern growth. This algorithm uses an extended FP3 to store the dataset and adapt a divide and conquer method to find the frequent item set. The third and the last algorithm, Similis. For Similis, it is an algorithm that uses graphical representation where it consists of two steps, which are data transformation and search steps. In the next 6 minutes, we would like to show you between Apriori and Apriori algorithm, which algorithm has higher efficiency.
Okay, before we start to test the efficiency of both algorithms, which are Apriori and Apriori, we need a data set first. In our research, we will go to the Google first and search Wika dataset and click the first result. This website provides some of the sample Wika dataset in an ARFF format, and in our research, we are using the supermarket.arff. So after downloaded the dataset, we can open the Wika tools and click the Explorer button. In this window, we can actually pre-process our data set first before we test it by using both algorithms. So we can upload the data set we have downloaded just now, which is supermarket.arff. Okay, this window will actually show the information about the datasets, which state that this dataset consists of 217 attributes and 4,637 instances. So we can actually pre-process the data by removing the unnecessary attributes by checking them and remove it. So due to the time constraint, we just upload the dataset we have pre-processed before. So we can see that actually this pre-processed dataset consists of 106 attributes and 4,627 instances. So after everything is okay, so we will go to the Associate button in the tab menu. So in this window, we can actually choose the algorithm we want to test. So we can see there are Apriori and Apriori algorithm there. So first we choose the Apriori, and by left clicking the algorithm name, we can go to the Show Properties to set up the setting. we need to set up the confidence value and number of rules in our case. So in this case, we actually set the confidence value as 0.9, which is equal to 90%, and we choose to set up the setting which this algorithm will actually generate 10 rules for me. So we can click the start and the algorithm will start generating the association rules. And from the result, we can see the first rule state that if the customer buy biscuits, frozen fruits, and fruit at the same time, he or she will most probably buy the bread and cake too. So this is the result generated by Apriori. So next we test for the Apriori. Then to have the better comparison between them, so we will use the same setting which we have used just now for the Apriori. So the confidence value is still 0.9 and number of rules to find is still 10. So after ensure everything is the same setting with the Apriori. Okay. So click OK. Then we go start, let it to generate the association rules. And from the first rules, we can see that actually it generates same association rules with the Apriori. So we can see if the customer buy fruits, frozen foods, and biscuits at the same time, he or she will most probably buy the bread and cake too. So from here we can see actually both algorithms generating the same association rules. So how we actually compare their efficiency? We can compare their efficiency in terms of execution time. So we can go to the log file of the Weka and we can see the start time and end time for each algorithm. First, for the Apriori, it actually used 3 seconds to generate the association rules, and for the Apriori, it actually used more or less time than the Apriori to generate the association rules, which is 1 second. So from here we can actually see Apriori is slightly faster than the Apriori. So to ensure the result we made is true, so we will test again these two algorithms by using same dataset and same setting. So let us test again. So first we choose the Apriori with same setting and start. Then after that we choose Apriori with the same setting and same dataset and start. So we go to the log file to compare their result, and we can see that this time Apriori used 2 seconds to generate the association rules, and for Apriori it still used 1 second to generate the same association rules. So from here we can actually see that it actually slightly faster than Apriori.
According to our research experimental result, Apriori is faster than Apriori algorithm. Based on the justification from other studies, Similis shows a good scalability which will have its advantage over other two algorithms. As conclusion, Apriori is faster than Apriori, and Similis could be seen as an alternative to both Apriori and Apriori due to its good scalability that it only depends on the number of items for the complexity of algorithms. This is all for this video. Thank you, and I hope you enjoy it.